On 13th September afternoon, 3 p.m., this system will forming into a intense well-marked low pressure area and is developing into a tropical depression in 5 to 6 p.m. and it develops intensifying and develop into a tropical storm in the evening of 13th September. 8 p.m. of 13th September, it intensifying and gets category tropical storm status, and on 14th September it will make landfall on Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It is very powerful storm, tropical storm. It is intensity of deep depression to tropical storm causing very heavy rains and tropical storm force winds in Odisha's Bhubaneswar coast. After making landfall, it continues towards the central India and hit Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh and causing heavy rain in the whole of the parts of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. Surprisingly intensing again in the land region and continues towards Madhya Pradesh and causing very heavy rainfall in MP. Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha, Maharashtra causing heavy to very heavy rainfalls and tropical storm winds. Tropical storm force winds occurs due to this in the MP and Vidarbha region, and it is weakening after 17 September and in the form of circulation, and on the 18th September is continuous towards the Gujarat coast and it is continuing towards the Arabian Sea, but does not enter in Arabian Sea, but it is very in strong powerful circulation. On 19th September, it enters on the Arabian Sea and chance of re-emerging is highly predicted, is high. So this system is very strong and watch what happens after a few days. Thanks